Sewing your own dress is so rewarding, it's amazing. You can make something beautiful with your own hands. Plus, it's a fun and creative process. You choose the fabric and the style. It's all you. Imagine wearing a dress you made. People will ask, "Where did you get that?" You can say, "I made it myself. Sewing is a great hobby for beginners." Don't worry if you're new to this. We'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our sewing supplies. You'll need a few basic things. First, you'll need fabric. Choose a fabric you love. Cotton is a great choice for beginners. It's easy to work with. You'll also need a pattern. The pattern is like a guide. It shows you how to cut and sew your fabric. Make sure you have a sewing machine. Don't worry, using a sewing machine is easier than you think. You'll also need thread that matches your fabric. Finally, grab some scissors, pins, and a measuring tape. Now let's sew your dress. First, wash and iron your fabric. This will prevent wrinkles later. Next, lay out your fabric and pattern pieces. Pin the pattern pieces to your fabric. Carefully cut out the fabric pieces, following the pattern's instructions. Now it's time to use your sewing machine. Thread your machine with matching thread. Start by sewing the shoulder seams of your dress. Then, sew the side seams. Follow the pattern instructions carefully for each step. Next, you'll need to hem the edges of your dress. This will give it a nice, finished look. Finally, try on your dress and make any final adjustments. You've sewn your own dress. Now let's add some finishing touches. Choose buttons or beads that complement your fabric. You can hand sew these on for a unique touch. Think about the fit of your dress. Does it fit you well? A well-fitting dress always looks more professional. Finally, be confident. You made this beautiful dress yourself. Wear it with pride.